Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel with me Muhammad Hasrul. Okay, today in here I will give you the tutorial replacing the exhaust ring. Okay, the function of the exhaust ring is to overcome the existence of line out of the intersection between the engine and the muffler. Okay, the two use are wrench number 10, wrench number 40, and a new exhaust ring. Okay, immediately we start a tutorial. Let's go. First, open the bolt. Okay, let's go. Over, we just need to install the exhaust ring. Okay? The truth is hiding in your eyes, and it's hanging on your tongue, just boiling in my blood. But you think that I can't see what kind of man that you are. If you're a man at all, I'll figure this out. How do you replace the exhaust ring for me? If there is anything wrong and unclear, please forgive. Okay, thank you and see you later.